Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to convert a SketchUp file into a Google Earth file or a simply KML file. So basically what a Google Earth file format is KML, which stands for Keyhole Markup Language. So it is a compressed version of KMZ. This file based on XML standards stores geographic data like place marks, paths, polygons, and 3D models. They are used globally across mapping geographic information systems, GIS, and various other industry. Primarily, the in in a very huge use in GIS, telecommunication, real estate and architecture, logistic and transport, travel and tourism, and research and in academics also. So it is a really useful file format that SketchUp actually offers you to be converted into. So it has a very simple process. You simply have to go to file. Under the option of file you have to press on export, and under the option of export you have to select the 3D model file. In the um, in the save as type you have to select the Google Earth file, which is the KMZ file, and then simply just press on options and export hidden geometry, preserve credits. Just leave it like that and press on export. In a few seconds your SketchUp file will be exported into KMZ file, which is the easiest way to use a Google Earth file format. So basically, you just refresh on the location where you have stored your KMZ file. So here it is, our SketchUp file converted into a KMZ file. So this is how easy it is to convert a SketchUp file uh, to a KMZ file. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it.